This is the new Work Plus Life Happy Planner. It is launching today, so if you'd like to see a flip through, keep watching. I got most of my flip throughs done, pretty much except for this one. And oh my goodness, I was up until 2:30 last night. It's a lot of work. I think I worked 10 hours straight on that stuff. So this is the only one I didn't get to last night. This releases today at 9 a.m. Pacific time, and I will put my affiliate link in the description box. Would really appreciate it if you'd use it when you shop. It's just a little kickback for me. It doesn't cost you a dime. So let's take a look at this planner. So the Work Plus Life line is like a more professional line. It's something you can bring to the office. It's not, there's not a lot of bells and whistles. It's kind of plain, but really, really pretty. So this one says 2023. It's engraved in there. And I don't know if you can tell, but the front has like this starburst pattern, and it's metallic. Do you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but it's so pretty. It's just very classy and just really plain, but yet at the same time, just really pretty. I'm going to show you a piece of white paper so you can see the color of this, because I know sometimes it's going to look kind of white. It's not. Okay, so this is just a regular notebook, and you can see the difference. So this is like a blush pink. It's really nice. It's a really nice color. So this is what the spine looks like and the back. The discs for these planners are on the inside, and I'll show you that. So this is the big size planner. Here is a regular Happy Planner next to it, so you can see it's pretty much the same size. Let's take a look inside. The cover is like a hard cardboard. It's very sturdy. Okay, so when you open it up, it's just really plain on this side. Like I said, it's super professional. It's something you can take to the office and not that you'd be embarrassed to bring a Happy Planner to the office, but do you know what I mean? It feels like normal and professional. Like nobody would look at it and go, "Oh, what do you have over there?" And hey, if you want to bring your doodly Happy Planner to the office, be my guest. I would, but I don't work in the office anymore. But probably I would bring this, before I would bring that, just because it's more professional. These discs, now I was looking at these trying to figure out exactly what color they are. I didn't read the description on the website. I probably should have, but they look, at first glance, they look silver, but they kind of also have a little gold touch to them. So I don't know if they're like champagne. I'm not sure, but do you see them? So they're metal, and these discs don't have hearts. They just are round. Do you see? There's your plain name page. Okay, so you're going to get your holidays here and a calendar for 2023. And then you have a password sheet right here. Now, I would not recommend putting your passwords on here. I know they included it in here. That is something I don't agree with. I think you should never keep your passwords on paper, because what if you lose your planner? Just saying. I know some people do. Totally fine if you want to do that. I just wouldn't. So here's your year at a glance pages. Very, basic. Okay, one sheet of note paper. See what happens if you don't give up. So these are going to be pretty plain and classy, right? So we have the gold here, gold foil there. Now the interesting thing about the Work Plus Life planners is that the pages, like you have the tabs for the month, but the pages also have tabs. And I noticed that when I started using one this year, and I wanted to take pages out of this and put it in another planner because, okay, I'm going to tell you. Not that you need to know because you're looking at this flip through. So I switched. I don't know if you saw my setup video earlier this year for July. Was it my July setup? Yeah. I decided I was going to use the Work Plus Life because it's really pretty. I love this planner. I love the one I got last year, and this one's really pretty as well. Totally nice, professional, feels good. So I was going to use it for work. So I started using it. And the only thing I would say about this planner that you need to keep in mind, and this may not be a negative for you, for me it was, the thing is you cannot flip it. So it's flat, right? And it's hard to tell on the camera, but you can't take this cover and flip it around to the back and hold it in your lap like this. You know what I mean? This is a planner that's made to sit on the desk, which is totally fine if you're working in an office or you just keep it in your office and home or whatever. I think it's wonderful. It's a wonderful planner. But for me, sometimes I would bring it upstairs and to sit on the couch, like, because sometimes, I don't know, I would do my schedule for the month while I'm watching TV or something. I couldn't just hold it on my lap very well. It got kind of awkward because I couldn't flip the cover around. So that's one thing to keep in mind if you're considering this planner. If you use it for, you know, when you're sitting in bed or on the couch or something, it can get a little bit tricky to use. So I just wanted to mention that. So anyway, I switched over to another regular happy planner, and I never talked about it on my channel because there was no real need to at the time, but I'm using a teacher planner combined inside like a regular big happy planner. They put National Sticker Day on here. I gotta remember that. I always forget that day. That's important, you guys. So yeah, these tabs are on the paper as well. Okay, so your currently page is a little bit different than a regular happy planner. You have January goals, focus on, important dates, and a to-do list here. I really like this setup. I think it's very focused on productivity and goals, and I think that's perfect for a work planner. And again, you don't have to use this planner for work. If you like this planner, it can be your just everyday planner. It can, you know, it can even be a journal. I don't know. That's the thing about the Happy Planner. It's very, very customizable, so you can use it for however you want. But I look at this and I think work planner. All right, so here's a piece of note paper, and then we go into the weekly spread. Okay, so this is very plain. This is very, very plain. I kind of wish it didn't have this on it because I would totally take these pages out and use it in a regular planner because there's not even any design in the middle. I really like this. Of course, there's this week's list. We're not going to talk about that. We're not talking about that. Anyway, we're moving on. Here's February. Oh, wait, where is... Do we have a Oh, it's over there. Okay. So that's a little bit different. In a regular happy planner, the divider is across from the currently page. In this planner, the divider is across from a sheet of note paper. So you're going to get like a whole sheet to do with what you will. I kind of like that. I wish the other ones were like that. Of course, I could set it up like that if I wanted. And then instead of the divider, on the other side of your currently page, you're going to get another piece of note paper. So you have a lot of room to write your lists, to brainstorm, all that kind of stuff. That's perfect. Okay, let's take a look at March. Ooh, radiate positivity. That looks like the cover a little bit. Doing what you love is never a waste of time. Great things never come from comfort zones. There's definitely foil on there. I don't know if you can see these. June. It looks kind of like a line, right? Plan for a bright future. So these dividers are really sophisticated and cool, you know, if you're one of those people. No, just kidding. Like, I'm one of those. I love sophisticated dividers, and I love whimsical, fun dividers. I don't know. I love it all. It's perfect. It's a perfect day to start. Balance over hustle. Ooh, look at that pattern. That's pretty cool. Listen to your heart above all voices. True that, happy planner. Just do the best you can. I'm trying. Let today be the start of something new. Okay, I hear you. All right, here's the note page in the back. Notes, 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 notes. In case you don't know this is notes, they're telling you right there, okay? All right. So we get some stickers in here, which is nice. A page of stickers, and they're very classy stickers. They have like some gold foil around here, little bits of foiling here and there. Today, we have reminders here. And these tiny little strips, look at these. These are pretty. Yeah, tiny little strips in blush pink and that soft green and gold and black. Very nice. And then we have another sheet. Are they the same? They look the same. Yeah, so we have 2 sheets of those. And then here we have a nice little pocket folder for your goodies. And it looks like little stitching. I love that. It is very, I gotta say, sophisticated and classy, elegant, professional. So if you need that kind of planner and you want that kind of planner, this is the planner for you. I think it's really a nice option, and I love that the discs are inside. I really liked it when they came out with this last year. There's a little Work Plus Life logo back there. So a good option for you if this is something you're looking for. All right, I hope this helped. If you're interested in, this, and if you're shopping today, maybe you needed this last minute, flip through. I don't know. But anyway, don't forget my affiliate links in the description box. I appreciate you guys for using that. It really helps me out a great deal, and I will see you soon. Bye.